everyone, this is Hiral from Scrappy Happy Crafts, and I'm very excited to share another design team package share from InLoveArtShop. As you all know, I just love their dies and I'm so obsessed with their store. This is my another package coming up and I would like to share with you. I did create one of the card using some dies and I'll share with you at last. So let me start with it. I love this hard dies. It's kind of a nesting dies, but let me show you. Sorry. So you get these many pieces in it. It was a dash, but it was very easy to separate them. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces in it. And the biggest one is 4" by sorry, I just have sore throat. 4" by 3.5. And the smallest one is 1" by 1.25. So that's a pretty nice size. And I just love this dies, the hard ones. I'll show you 3 dies and I'll show you the card I created with it. Sorry. And the second one is this one. These are 3 arrows. They were all attached. I just used them, so I had to separate them. But it was very easy. You just do like this and it separates. So this is the one. Sorry, I need to check what it says. This is memories and this is wedding. I just need to check what this one says. But then I have used this wedding one, and let me show you the size. It's 4 by a little more than ½ inch. 4 by little more than ½ inch. So it's pretty nice size for A2 size cards, and even you can use it for like 5 by 7 cards. I have used it for a bigger one, but I'll show you in a minute. This is again 3.5 by almost 1.5. And this is the smallest one, which is 3 by almost 1" So these are the 3 ones. You can use it in wedding, anniversary, love cards, Valentine's, like any themes. It goes with everything, to be honest. So that's that. And coming up with this one. Sorry, you can see this. I have used it. It says Mr. and Mrs. and those are like 2 arrows. And that has a stitched edge around, and I just love this one. It's one, sorry, 2.25 by 1 and a little more. Yeah. So I have used this 3 dies and created a card for a friend. She has to gift it to someone. And here is my card. Oh, and I will again show you. I forgot to show. I have also used this stem set from InLoveArtShop. I just love the stems. It's so pretty. And the alphabet size is pretty nice to use it in any size card. It's 1". So yeah, of course, I have used like 3 dies and 1 stamp, and I have created this beautiful card, which is 5.5 by 8.5. Sorry, I'm just unwell. Sorry, guys. And I have used this wedding happy stamp. I have used this heart with gold mirror cardstock, and it's so beautiful. This is my first take to create such like bright card. I usually create shabby chic cards, but this was for someone's wedding, Indian wedding, and I wanted to create like gold and red themed card, and this is the one I came up with. And then opening up, I use this Mr. and Mrs. and it's so beautiful. I have used like cut it twice with black cardstock and the glitter pink cardstock and the black cardstock and glitter blue cardstock. And there's a couple here. This die is from my stash. I just love this one. So I used those for 3 dies and 1 stamp to create this card, and I still have to use some of these ones. Let me show you. But you don't have to worry about InLoveArtShop dies because they cut very well. So here it says live, awesome, home. And those are kind of like bulbs hanging around the home. So life is 2¼ by 1¼ awesome is almost 3 by 3¾ and the home is 2¼ by the longest side is 1¾ so that's that. I still have to create something with these ones. Coming up with this one. I just love this. Mostly I have received heart shaped dies because I wanted to use it for like Valentine's and then some wedding cards and the couple cards. So here it is, and this is so beautiful. It's like a heart and then some flowers in it. I guess these are like attached. It won't separate. So that's the best part. And you still have those flower border. This is kind of a heartbeat. I just love this because of this hearts, as it is a heartbeat and then a heart coming up and down. And here it says heart and I need to check, guys, sorry. I can figure out heart and it's F. Sorry, I'll create something and then I'll show you guys what it was. So yeah, and the size of this heart is 2¼ by 2¼ This heartbeat is almost 3 inches. The floral border is 3 inches. And the sentiment is 3¼ So yeah, it's pretty nice size for scrapbooking, card making, like everything. And yep, so that is this. And coming up with this one, I have to create a card for a friend, and she likes filmmaking things. So I was thinking to create a card with this one. It's like a strip, a film strip, a reel, camera, and it's kind of a speech bubble having heart in it. But it's so beautiful. Just look at this. I can imagine what I'm going to create right now. It's the size of this strip is 4¾ by 1¼ So it's pretty nice size. And the reel is almost 1½. The camera is, I guess, 1¼ and the speech bubble is 1¼ So yeah, that's so beautiful. Look at this, guys. And these are like very easy to separate. You just do like this and it will just get separate from each other. So you don't need any pluckers or anything. And that is this. And the last one, this is a Starry background card, die, sorry, not card. So here it is, like it's so beautiful. I can imagine a baby card with this one and like a night or dark theme. And this is kind of a small, like I guess it's not A2 size, but then you can always have a background and then this would be as a second layer. You can use it in any ways. Yeah, so it's 5 1/4 by 3 1/2. So it's a little less than A2 size card, not little, like quite less, smaller, not less, but you can still create something beautiful. I just love this. So yeah, this is my package share, and I'll create something beautiful out of it and share with you guys soon. I'll list all the products in the description box below, and keep checking my videos. I'll showcase my cards soon. And if you guys like any of my cards, or if you like the packages I get from design teams shops, then please do go to the shop and check them out. I would really appreciate. Though I don't get anything out of it, I just like to help other crafters. And yeah, so I'll just take a leave and see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.